that the Lord hath made. This is the day that the stones that the builders rejected are coming together to be the cornerstones of a new reality.
This is a gathering of groups from all over the country that are committed to social justice. And part of that struggle is workers' rights and everything that we fight for every day. Healthcare, affordable, accessible healthcare, high quality healthcare, education for everyone. You know, these fights have been going on forever, and this is just the latest gathering in that fight. I think there's something else though that's going on where I see this event as the answer to January 6th. January 6th was about fear, it was about racism, it was about anger, it was about people wanting to grab power against democracy and what the people wanted. Here, you're seeing diversity, you're seeing, black, white, brown, red, you're seeing men, women, trans. It doesn't matter who you are welcome here. It's a gathering of love and compassion and a commitment to justice. Where else would UUP and unions, where should we be? We've got to be right here.
I think this will help. It's got to help. It's got to come from the bottom up and get more funding into the housing for more affordable housing. Also still support for food, all the basic necessities.
Well, I'm here because I'm a member of UUP. I love my union. Everybody should have a union, but I also am a person of faith, and the Bible lists 2,000 times it says take care of the poor, not take care of the corporations, not take care of the billionaires, and people are being left behind.
And so make no mistake, from the State House to the Congress to the White House, this is no one day on and one day off. This is a movement.
We have a big social responsibility as educators, so I think, yes, this will be successful.